Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Vence is a residential neighborhood in Magog, located in the Eastern Townships region of southern Quebec near Lake Memphremagog. The area is known for its lakeside setting, residential streets, and access to outdoor recreation throughout the year. Magog has a population of roughly 30,000 people and serves as one of the major tourism and recreation centers in the Eastern Townships. The Vence neighborhood reflects the region's connection to water, forests, and seasonal tourism while remaining closely linked to the larger Magog community. The history of Magog and the surrounding region began long before European settlement. Indigenous peoples used the lakes and rivers of the Eastern Townships for transportation, fishing, and trade for thousands of years. Lake Memphremagog played an important role as a natural route through the region, connecting communities across what is now southern Quebec and northern Vermont. European settlement expanded during the late 1700s and early 1800s as loyalists and settlers from the United States moved into the area following the American Revolution. Magog developed into an important industrial center during the 19th century because of the Magog River, which provided water power for mills and factories. Textile production became especially important to the local economy, and railways later connected the town to Montreal and other regional centers. Over time, Magog grew into a larger commercial and tourism destination while still maintaining strong ties to the natural environment surrounding Lake Memphremagog and Mount Orford. The Vence neighborhood developed mainly as a residential and recreational area connected to the lakefront. Its location near the shoreline helped attract both permanent residents and seasonal visitors looking for access to boating, swimming, and outdoor activities. The neighborhood's name reflects this connection to the water, drawing comparisons to waterfront communities known for canals and shoreline living. As Magog expanded during the 20th century, areas like Vence became part of the city's broader residential growth around the lake. Lake Memphremagog remains one of the defining natural features of the region. Stretching across the Canada and United States border, the lake has influenced transportation, tourism, and recreation for generations. During the warmer months, the lake becomes active with boating, kayaking, fishing, and lakeside events. Waterfront parks, marinas, and walking areas throughout Magog provide scenic views of the surrounding hills and mountains that define the Eastern Townships landscape. The nearby Mount Orford National Park also plays an important role in the identity of the region. The park contains forests, lakes, hiking trails, ski facilities, and campgrounds that attract visitors throughout the year. Mount Orford itself rises above the surrounding countryside and has become one of Quebec's best-known outdoor recreation destinations. Tourism connected to skiing, hiking, cycling, and camping continues to support much of the local economy. Nature strongly shapes daily life in and around Vence. Forests, lakes, and rolling hills create changing scenery throughout the year. Summers bring boating and outdoor recreation, autumn transforms the landscape with colorful foliage, and winters support skiing, snowshoeing, and other cold weather activities common throughout the Eastern Townships. Wildlife such as deer, birds, and smaller woodland animals are also common throughout the region's forests and wetlands. The Eastern Townships region is also known for its mixed cultural history. English-speaking settlers played an important role in the early development of the area, while French-Canadian communities expanded steadily during later periods. Today, French is the dominant language across most of the region, although English influences remain visible in local architecture, place names, and historical landmarks. This combination of cultures helped shape the unique character of communities throughout the townships. Transportation routes help support the growth of Magog and surrounding neighborhoods such as Vence. Autoroute 10 connects the city with Montreal and other parts of southern Quebec, making the region accessible for tourism and residential development. As more people looked for homes closer to nature while remaining connected to urban centers, neighborhoods near Lake Memphremagog continued to grow. Today, Vence represents the combination of waterfront living, tourism, and natural beauty that defines much of the Magog region. The neighborhood offers access to lakes, parks, and recreation while remaining part of one of Quebec's most scenic tourism destinations. Visitors passing through the area experience a landscape shaped by mountains, forests, and waterways that have influenced life in the Eastern Townships for generations. watching!